my friends, I'm Ayoub and this is my friend Arnoub.
Hi friends!
Today we are going to learn the multiplication table of number 3. Are you ready?
Yes!
But firstly, please don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more educational videos. And now let's begin. 3 times 1 equals 3. Let's repeat it together. Can you say it by yourself? You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. 3 times 1 equals
3!
Great job! Now let's move to the next one. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's repeat it again. Can you find the answer? 3 times 2 equals
6!
Excellent! Now, next one. 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's try again. 3 times 3 equals
9!
Wonderful! Let's continue. 3 times 4 equals 12. Can you see it along this time? 3 times 4 equals
12!
Amazing! Now the next one. 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's repeat it again. 3 times 5 equals
15!
Good job! Let's move on. 3 times 6 equals 18. Let's repeat it again. 3 times 6 equals
18!
Perfect! Next one. 3 times 7 equals 21. Let's see it again. 3 times 7 equals
21!
You're doing great! Good job! Now let's continue. 3 times 8 equals 24. Can you remember it? 3 times 8 equals
24!
Fantastic! And finally, 3 times 9 equals 27. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 9 equals
27!
Good job, everyone! We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new video.
See you soon, friends. Stay safe and take care.